Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, That Girl Kai. So today, well actually this is wash and go season, so I will be showing you guys my different wash and goes using different techniques and different products. So I will be using CurlMix pure flaxseed gel hair growth. So it is pure flaxseed, and I don't know, these are the results and I love them. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off with two sections, and then I'm going to split each section into another section, so together all 4 sections. And then I'm going to start applying the CurlMix flaxseed gel, and I got the hair growth one with the hemp oils. So I start with a smaller section starting from the back, and then I finger detangle while applying the product, as well as brushing it through just to make sure it is detangled and all strands get enough product. And then I continue throughout my hair. So I'm going to do the front part, and I'm just going to squirt enough on the top part and finger detangle it through, as well as brush through the product so all strands get an even amount of products. Now this is the texture. It is flaxseed gel, real flaxseed gel, so it will be like very like slimy, but very, I don't know, light. So you can see the difference between one side where it's just deep condition and the other side where I actually applied the product. You can see more definition, and it lays down a little more sleek. And then I'm just going to continue for the rest of my hair. So now I finished both sides, sleek down my edges, and make sure all product is through evenly in my hair. Now I just air dry. You can diffuse it for 2 hours, and here are my curls before they were dry, and here are my results. If you guys like CurlMix products and you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe and share. And make sure to stay tuned for my next video. See you guys next time.